Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see here, what the Bitcoin given us here, there is some people they started taking profit here in that zone, but not that much compared to the volume of buying. Some people they still holding now. That's for long term, and that level here, it's still holding, guys, as you see it. So now it's need either to break up or to make a correction. Then also we'll find a buying opportunity again. Then we will enter, and if you remember, also we enter from here, and here in that place, me I told you to take some profit. So here in the daily there is nothing yet, and in my chart what I got me, let me show it to you. As you see it, I got here that level where we are now, that one, and I got here that one in the top, that one the long-term trend for long-term investors. If it doesn't enter inside that one, there is no entry, guys. Till now there is no entry. It's need the Bitcoin to come to enter inside here to come to confirm for you is going to go higher. And in the weekly I show you everything. It's need that candle, that one here in the weekly to close like that, not to go back inside. And by the way, today is Thursday. It doesn't left for it a lot, so let's wait in the coming days what they are going to tell us. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Yes, I'm talking to you, my friend. Are you not yet subscriber in our channel? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day we put in for you 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin. One after the European market close and one after the daily candle close. So like that, you're going to be very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing right now, guys. It's very simple. It will not take you that much. A red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when you put in something new, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. If you want to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube, the link of our Telegram is in the first comment. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. So as we said here in daily, guys, that level here, it's still showing us it's very stronger. But the good news, not a lot of people they selling. The volume of sellers here, it's very low. So here in the daily, there is nothing yet confirmed. We need to wait in a little bit more. Now, let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you and to know what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, guys, as you see that level where we show you, we try here the Bitcoin to fall down, but look at those candles, they came here. All of them, there is not big volume for sellers. Only that candle which is going now. It's got a little bit of volume, but that one, what can we say, is like a war here. So now here in the 4 hours, guys, it's very simple. You came here to that last high. If the Bitcoin came and breaking the last high here, a candle came and break it here, you can enter long again. And I'm going to tell you why. Because if that candle came and breaking the last high for you here, that's when the Bitcoin will go higher than that. And also we enter from here, guys. If people they been with us, also we enter from here till here, guys. And now here, as you see, there is no big volume and there is no price action here indicating the market is going to fall down, guys. It's only like a flag as you see it. That one is a flag, guys. You came here like that. Is a flag. If it's being broken here in that level here, as you see it, you enter long, then you bring that line here, that one, and you put it like that. So if it's breaking here, you enter long, guys. Remember my word. If it's breaking here in that zone here, you enter long here in the 4 hours, not in the daily, not for long-term investment. I'm talking about swing trading, guys. Swing trading, if it's breaking here, you enter long. Why? Look here with me what you got. You got here a flag, guys. As you see it, very clear flag. It's breaking, you enter long. If it's breaking here, the top of that flag, you enter long. Because that one is a continuation pattern, guys. It give it to you here. If you remember, it give it to you here. That candle which is breaking here, it went up. It give it to us here. That way also we enter. Now it give you the same thing, guys. As you see it, a very nice flag here in the 4 hours. If it's breaking here in the 4 hours, you enter long. Everything is too clear? By the way, I know you are a subscriber. You smash the like button, my friend. Yes, I'm talking to you. I know you don't. Go now. Go. Pause the video and go now smashing the like button, writing down a comment, helping us, guys. You know that channel without you, it can growing up. So please, helping us, guys. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. I think everything is too clear here. Now let's go into see our indicators, guys, what they're saying. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, I told you, we be in here. Actually, when it touch in here the overbought, that indicator of us, there's a very high chance there is a falling down going to can. Yes or no? And that candle which is going now, and here, what it's showing to you guys, it's breaking down. And I showed you yesterday there is a divergence. Now in the 4 hours, if it's breaking up, that means it's going to enter to the overbought area again, guys. And if it enters to the overbought area again, that means there is more going up than that. That's what me I told you. If it enters to, if that candle breaking that flag you got, you enter long, guys, in the 4 hours. If it's breaking lower, you enter short, guys. Everything is too clear? Let me show you everything. Let's go now to see our other indicator, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see, guys, here, also we are here at the overbought area. Yes or no? And here, what did I show you now? I show you got here a flag like that. It's very clear. If you go to 30 minutes, it's going to be very clear than here in 4 hours. I told you, either if it's breaking up, you enter long. If it came and breaking down, you enter short, guys. Remember those things, guys, very well what I'm telling you. If the chart here or the price of Bitcoin is breaking that flag down, you enter short. If it's breaking up, you enter long, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? Why? Let me show you something very important here. Either from here is going to go back to touch here the upper of that channel, then after that it's going to go higher. That means that breaking here is not false, it's right. Or either from here there is big power here and it's going to break higher, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? You get what I'm saying or no? You got here a price action is very clear here. You just came to the peaks of those candles like that and you're drawing a flag like that. If it came up breaking for you higher, you enter long. If it's breaking lower, you enter short. Maybe the take profit of 200 moving average or the lower or the upper of that uptrend which is being broken here, and that way we see all that move going up. Everything is too clear, guys, here? Let's go in now to 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes for the picture to be more clear to you guys, and we see if there is any scalping or day trading opportunity there. By the way, we are entering the Bitcoin short in 30 minutes and I'm going to tell you why. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, what did I told you in the last video, guys? I told you we got here a wage like that. And I told you that one me are being followed for some time. When it's breaking here, me are entering it short, guys. I am now in profit, guys. And I'm going to wait till we're going to reach to that level here, as you see it. Or the 200 moving average. And here, I'm going to take some profit. And I'm going to looking for another buying opportunity, guys. I'm talking here about scalping and day trading, not for long-term investment, guys. And here, that flag I show you now in the 4 hours, look at it here in 30 minutes, how it look. You see it or not? Here in 30 minutes, it look very clear, guys. Now, if that one came and breaking down here, you enter short. If it came upward and breaking here up, you enter long, guys. So know the target for the long, it just came down here like that, and you bring that line like that, then you bring it and you put it here. So the Bitcoin will go till 22k. That's if it's breaking higher. If it's breaking lower, guys, you're going to go back to 18k. Everything is too clear, guys? Now let's see our indicators, what they're saying, guys. That one here, as you see it, we've been here at the overbought area. Now we are here. We are too close to the oversold, and we will now start looking for buying opportunities, guys. That's what me have been telling you. That's what me have told. If it's breaking up in the 4 hours, you enter long. Because that one, look at it. It's very close to the oversold area. And the color, it started changing here. It's left for it a little bit. So maybe at the end of the day, it's going to be here down, guys. Everything is too clear. And our other indicator, guys, what it's saying. That one here, what me I told you yesterday about it. I told you got here a very clear divergence. And look where it is. It's breaking for us the middle, guys. It's still going down, guys. The one it will go till the oversold area, or maybe from here, from that middle level here, it's going to go upward again, like how it happened here. That way also we follow the other one, because the other one is give you the oversold and the overbought. That one is very slow. The one when it enters the overbought is high chance is going to reverse, and when it enters the oversold, it's very high chance is going to reverse, as you see it here. When it enter here, is it in that place? As you see it go up till here. When it enter here is high chance. Here the same thing. All those times, guys. And also here we are in very low time frames, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? By the way, did you smash the like button, my friend, or no? Go ahead and do it. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment if you could, even share the video, guys. You done it? Thank you very much, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after the daily candle finished. Bye for now, guys.